rotate your phone. I think you take horizontal, vertical lega.
No, that's okay now. You're all already large. Poor thing, you don't like used to be. So, how was your New Year's?
हमारा everyday here होंगे.
No one knew that we were very much.
How come you didn't know?
No, but we never went out. We just first day, first show. Wallet lost, everything lost.
Ah, you was dancing on the road.
Can you see us?
Okay.
No, I'm just saying that. Can you see us on the Facebook?
No, that's I'll get the notification when you are live.
I'm live already.
You're like,
No, go on the Facebook. You'll see me live. And you're going on the event?
Not even, but I get notification whenever you are on live.
Are you sure? Sure. Can you send me my page?
I'm just trying to say.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Now you can.
Ghana. I like this.
Yeah, even I like it. अगर आपको पैर टच होगा तो माइंड मत करना.
No, not at all. Come on.
I started again.
This thing happened. It is on the road. Because you know started.
So, why do you want me to meet you?
Because it is saying
How do you view us? It's not coming horizontal.
Horizontal is coming.
No. So when you're viewing us, is it coming like this?
vertical आ रहा है.
No. When you view us on the Facebook, how are you viewing us?
Okay, this is how you guys are coming. If I do that like this also you are coming.
That's fine. So
Ah.
you're able to see us in the landscape.
Yes.
Perfect. Time check.
Wow.
Perfect. So, welcome you all to the opening episode for the new year by Wiki Karnataka Defence Personal Council. Go with the flow. You are here with me in conversation with the very pretty Miss Nidhi Vadera, who is not only a very humble and a happy-go-lucky woman, but a leading sales coach. She's a business consultant and India's first woman author on sales. To come to the fore, unveil the groundbreaking realities about sales. I can go on and go on actually about her, but I'll keep it very short because I want to have a quality time with this beautiful woman right in front of me. Her vision of teaching the value of mindset and processes across various functions in businesses has led her to author her first book, Romancing Targets. Having said that, she's a very successful entrepreneur, and you have a company called Vertical Hyphen, and she's married to a very handsome hotelier, and together they have a 12-year-old daughter.
yes,
Am I right?
12 years.
So Nidhi, first of all, welcome to Go With The Flow, and I'm completely honored to have you as my first woman guest for the year 2021. I was actually very touched when Mr. Srijan actually reached out and said that you would like to be a part of the Wiki Karnataka Defence Personal Council. So thank you very much for being a part of our council, and very welcome, a very, very warm welcome from all the council members of Wiki. I didn't know that actually this sweet girl, the chota packet, is going to be the bada dhamaka. and so many entrepreneurs out there are getting inspired by you. So Nidhi, just tell us, how did this all start?
You know, Vijay, before we get into that conversation, I would really like to congratulate you for this initiative, because what you've started now, it is going to inspire so many people. You probably have no idea about the power of this idea. Because when people keep coming to your live chat, they would say something, they would express their opinion. And I'm sure the listeners, the viewers, they are going to find answers to a lot of questions that they struggle with day in, day out. So congratulations.
Thank you very much. And that's why I have women like her coming on board. So coming to the question, Nidhi, why did you start all of this? How did you start all of this? So please tell our viewers what really happened with you. You are a voracious reader. You are an author. You have a YouTube channel. Where do you get time for all of this? I keep wondering what to do, but my God, in my 46 years of my life on this earth, I really don't know how you drive this, and probably you're the first woman, who's come out so beautifully telling the world what needs to be done. So please tell about yourself.
So my life, Major, if I may tell you, is divided into two parts. One, what I do for a living, and one, what I do for contribution. Because contribution has always been a very big part of my life. That is how I think you are raised, I am raised, all of us are raised. That's the beauty of Indian culture. So what happened is, somewhere in my journey, I realized that there is a lot of information in books, but on the flip side, those books are in English. We come from a country where a lot of people speak in Hindi. So why should those children, those people be deprived of the knowledge that's there in books? So somebody has to be the bridge. So I'm nobody to take a credit here, and at the same time, I don't want to stay humble as well. Yes, I'm doing some work here, but I'm just the mediator. I'm just the bridge of taking this knowledge to all the people who are out there, who understand Hindi, who are the local natives of our country. So that is how that led me to thinking, that since I was reading books, if I'm already reading, what's the harm in sharing that knowledge?
Correct.
So that led me to start the YouTube channel. It was a very humble beginning. I had no clue of how the journey is going to unfold for me, but it has been beautiful and it has been therapeutic for me.
So जिस तरीके से आप अपना हिंदी और इंग्लिश का जो मिश्रण करती हैं, I've seen your videos, and the way you go with that flow, and I'm so happy that we actually termed our conversation "Go with the Flow." It's very simple and captivating, I must say. Captivating is the word. And when I hear you, 11 minutes of a video, for any video is a very long video, but I probably couldn't move from my chair. What jadoo did you do? And this book that you've called Romancing Targets, pehle to it was in the name itself. So what a breathtaking name of a book. When did you think of writing this, and why?
So, I would like to answer, when I create my YouTube videos, is simple, and I want to keep it conversational. मतलब किताब में चाहे जितना भी ज्ञान हो, अगर वो मेरे दिल को नहीं छू रहा, तो मैं उस ज्ञान का क्या करूँ? So that is something intentional that I do for my videos. And as far as the title of the book goes, see, sales is a space where the moment you say the word sales, people think about targets, they think about pressure, they think about, mismanagement of the work-life balance. So, and also at the same time, sales is about creating influence. So I thought that if I'm trying to influence my readers through my book, if I'm trying to bring knowledge to them through my books, why not keep a title that, eases them out right from the beginning and connect, to them with what is written in the book. So that is how the title.
So how long did you take to write this book?
So if I may tell you, I have been wanting to write a book since last 10 years. But like, like it is rightly said, systems work, people don't. And I am a person, like life kept taking over, something or the other happened.
घर के बाहर रहती हूँ, मैं घर में रहता हूँ. आपने अपने वीडियोस में कहा है, डर से कॉन्फिडेंस की तरफ, आलस से एक्शन की तरफ. So what is your success mantra?
So my success mantra is, as a woman, if I may speak, हमारी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमारे को एक थॉट आता है, हम उस थॉट के बारे में सोचते हैं, फिर उस थॉट से लीडिंग जो आइडियाज आए हम उनके बारे में सोचते हैं, वो सोचते सोचते एक ऐसा जाल बुन जाता है कि आप एक्शन लेना तो भूल ही जाते हो. So my mantra of life is to let my actions take a lead, than my idea, than my thoughts. So that is my mantra in life. And another thing that is really helping me out to move forward in life is by learning every single day. So, I read this book, Atomic Habits. The core message of the book is 1% better every day. Whoever you were yesterday, you don't have to become like 360 degree, you have to change and turn around and make over and tomorrow I'm a new woman. No, take it easy. Just 1% better every day. So that's my mantra.
And there you also said, 5 whys, right? You've been...
Seven.
Yeah, seven level deep. No, why I'm saying 5 whys is because, I'm a certified Six Sigma, Kanban, ये वो सब कुछ. वहां पे हम ये 5 whys करते करते थक जाते हैं. आपने हमें 7 levels deep जाने का बोल दिया. मतलब I am surprised, हम 5 whys ही ढूंढते रह जाते हैं. And मैडम कहती है, go 7 level deep exercise, and by the book Dean Graziosi, if I'm pronouncing it correct. So did you do this? I mean, did you find out that आपको अपने जीवन के लक्ष्य में what basically what you would want to do in your life? Did you do this exercise?
See, the first time I got introduced to the concept of why was through Simon Sinek's book. Start with why.
Okay.
The second book was How to Find Your Why. So these two books really had a great impact on me, and Simon Sinek, as all of us know, is a very impactful author. But somewhere I was stuck to decode the application of that why. Dean Graziosi's book, how it has helped me. Now, Dean Graziosi is somebody who's training people across the world how to change habits into millionaire habits. So that is what he talks about. So when he says go 7 level deep, like you said, in Six Sigma you go 5 levels deep. I won't be surprised, Major, honestly, if tomorrow somebody comes with a research paper saying going 9 levels deep.
यार उस टाइम तक तो मैं ही भूल जाऊंगी कि मैंने स्टार्ट कहाँ किया था. तो that's how it works.
Yeah, so all I'm saying is, as long as you are able to explain it to your readers, to your viewers, what does it mean and how do you decode those 7 levels, 5 levels, 9 levels, I think it is perfectly fine. And yes, like you rightly asked me, I have done this exercise and I actually got to the purpose, which I have been so many times people ask me.
Tell me, लाइफ में आपको कभी अपने पे सेल्फ डाउट हुआ? Have you gone through your highs and lows? You want to share if that's perfectly all right with you?
Yeah, I think जैसे दिन के बिना रात नहीं है, ओके, खुशी के बिना सुख दुख नहीं है, ऐसे ही मतलब पॉजिटिव के बिना नेगेटिव नहीं है. सो हर इंसान के अंदर सेल्फ डाउट तो एक इंटेग्रल एलिमेंट है उनकी एग्जिस्टेंस का. और जो ये कह रहे हैं कि मुझे सेल्फ डाउट नहीं है, या तो वो किसी टाइप के भ्रम में है या वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाह रहे. सो डेफिनेटली आई हैव बीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टेजेस इन माई लाइफ वेयर आई हैव बीन इन सेल्फ डाउट. बट ऑल आई कैन टेल यू थ्रू माई एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड द जर्नी दैट आई हैव लिव्ड, सेल्फ डाउट का निवारण भी आपको जो कहते हैं ना सेल्फ बिलीफ है. कोई बाहर से आके आपकी बीमारी का इलाज नहीं कर सकता. आपको सेल्फ डाउट की बीमारी लगी, उससे आप ही को बाहर निकलना है. पीपल कैन इंस्पायर यू, पीपल कैन गिव यू मोटिवेशन, दे कैन गिव यू अ लेक्चर, बट माय डियर फ्रेंड, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट इज यू हु इज टेकिंग द एक्शन. सो सेल्फ डाउट, काउंटर इट विद सेल्फ बिलीफ.
Excellent. Counter it with your self-belief. So I also like when you said, you found recognition through learning, and all your activities are based around education and learning, and all of those things. I mean, how centered are you in your real life, Nidhi? I mean, are you a very grounded, as you say, humble approach of you? How centered are you in your real life? What makes you happy? I mean, if I have to ask you, how is your day-to-day life? Because you have a business of your own. So how centered are you?
So for me, humility is one of the core values that I resonate with, if I may tell you. Now, given the life that we live in, we definitely come across people where humility doesn't actually work in your favor. It goes against you a lot of times. But then that's how the world is. You can, there are so many values which I may have, you may not agree with, you may have, I may not agree with. But somewhere deep inside, you have to be sure that what is it that makes you happy. So my day-to-day life, like you said, rightly said, my day is centered around just 2 things. Learning, sharing. There is no complexity in my life.
तो अगर आपके एक नॉर्मल रूटीन को देखा जाए निधि, तो how does it start?
I'll tell you, my life, when I was on the offline platforms, my life was much easier. And I'm telling it as a heads up to all the girls, boys, everybody who's listening. If you are trying to branch out in the digital space, please embrace the fact that you are on the grind for 24 hours, right? Because the system never stops, and hence you do not have an opportunity to stop. So my day, because of all the digital assets that I'm creating, sometimes if I were to give you a typical day, my day starts at 5:30 and 12 is when I sleep.
Now that's an eye opener. I mean, what do you do at 5:30 in the morning, and what are you doing till midnight? I mean, come on.
So I'll
Such
tell
a
you.
young woman. I mean, give yourself a break.
देखो, मैं उस जमाने से आती हूँ जहाँ चिट्ठियाँ लिखी जाती थी.
मैं भी उसी जमाने से आती हूँ.
अब देखो, अब का जो जमाना, it is all digitized. So who's there? Do I have the luxury in life to take a break from whatever I am doing and educate myself. No, I have these many hours, 24 hours. उसमें मैं माँ भी हूँ, मैं बीवी भी हूँ, मैं entrepreneur भी हूँ, मैं आगे चल के एक नया skill भी acquire करना चाह रही हूँ. So somewhere, you know, you have to fit in. You have to prioritize what is it that matters to you the most in this moment, which is going to yield you results in the near future. So I think.
So now when she said कि मैं माँ भी हूँ, मैं एक बीवी भी हूँ, so my next question is definitely on the BV part, because a lot of you out there are all BVs, so am I, and so am my mother as well. So with also another successful and much admired, you know, that handsome dude that you have in your house, the wonderful spouse and the human being as I know him. So how do you balance that? क्योंकि कहते हैं ना कि एक म्यान में दो तलवारें तो रह नहीं सकती हैं. But as I know you, Nidhi, and as I know Srijan, like both of you, you have a persona, you know, which is loved individually for you both by each one of us, you know, across definitely the city of Bangalore and I'm sure across India. So how do you manage that?
You know, I think जब ये आपने बोला ना कि एक म्यान में दो तलवार, मेरे ख्याल से रह सकती हैं. एक तलवार शायद लोहे की है, एक शायद बर्फ की है, तो कहीं ना कहीं वो फिट हो जाती है आपस में. So we try to fit in there. But if you ask about, you know, being with a spouse who's super successful and how do you manage yourself with that spouse, is there some kind of you know, insecurity that factors in? तो मैं ये कह सकती हूँ कि see the way universe has created a man and a woman, they are very complementing skill sets. Okay, a man comes with fearlessness, okay, because of which he is able to take risk, but sometimes because of taking risk the man falls. Woman comes with the strength of emotion, so if the man falls, she is there to support, bring the energy back and then lead the journey from there. So everybody, you know, जैसे पुराने लोग बोलते हैं ना कि गाड़ी के दो पहिए हैं, चार पहिए हैं, it is the same story. In my opinion, the moment you see one standing against one, you are bound to fall. If you see 1 + 1 = 11, that is where the journey begins. So with Srijan, my spouse, I'm really in admiration, Major, the way I have seen him grow levels, how early he started his journey. And there have been times where I was not able to contribute to the family because of my maternity or some other factors. So he has taken the lead. I have only admiration and, you know, things to learn from him. So what happened is there have been moments of insecurity, no doubt about it, because Srijan is
You
going
were
at
threatened. You were
Srijan-
threatened at some point of
Of
time.
course I was threatened. And
okay.
especially, I'll tell you when, especially when you take a break for your maternity, no, I think that's a very sensitive period for every woman.
But do you think it's a good thing to be threatened? Does it push you towards those, you know, barriers, to break those barriers? Does it bring in that energy in a woman? When you get threatened, you actually strive to do much better. Did it help you in any way?
See, I think that is where, you know, again, I would say how you have been raised, what principles you've been following in life, that play a very important role. Because threat can be interpreted in either way.
True.
So it can go against, it can go in favor.
Absolutely.
But luckily, in my case, even when I was threatened, I had a constant support from his side saying, don't worry, it is just a temporary phase and you will outshine soon. So that, you know, that hope. So I heard, this is the dialogue from, I'm not able to recall the movie. The dialogue is, the only thing bigger than fear is hope. So he gave me hope, and I think.
Excellent. so tell us your secret recipe of a happily married life.
I think a marriage goes wrong when, you know, you believe कि हम दो बदन और एक जान है. I think that is a run-down, बेकार
The
philosophy.
Bollywood dialogue. Huh?
नहीं, it doesn't work. You have to accept and embrace the fact that even in a marriage, you are two individuals who come together at certain time, right? You have your own life, he has his own life. And I believe love also is a very, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि आपको धोखा या what is the exact word कि
Trust?
No, कि जैसे जो हम कहते हैं ना कि शादी में प्यार है तो शादी प्यार से चले, भैया शादी प्यार से नहीं चलती
Respect?
है. शादी दो चीजों से चलती है, एक आपका रिस्पेक्ट और एक आपका पेशेंस, बस, और कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर ये दोनों चीजें साथ रही, yes, over a period of time आपको प्यार हो जाएगा, which is a chance we all are taking. Right? उसमें कोई गारंटी नहीं है. But the foundation is respect and patience.
Excellent. One thing you said, Nidhi, when I was reading your book and when I was going through your life and a little bit of research that I did on you, and, you know, you actually sent a very beautiful message which has touched me personally, and I think I really want to know. You said keep away from non-productive people, right? Keep away from those who are pulling you down every day. Do you want to talk about it to the viewers and tell them more and throw that light, that how will this help you?
देखो, एक इंसान की लाइफ के ना 7 स्फीयर्स हैं. जस्ट टू नेम अ फ्यू, वन इज हेल्थ, वन इज फाइनेंस, वन इज योर रिलेशनशिप, वन इज योर स्पिरिचुअलिटी. नॉन प्रोडक्टिव से मेरा ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं किसी को टारगेट कर रही हूँ कि जो बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं कमा रहा या फिर प्रोफेशनली बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड नहीं है. नॉन प्रोडक्टिव से मेरा मतलब है कि जो इंसान, भगवान का सबसे बड़ा जो आपको गिफ्ट मिला है दिन के 24 घंटे, अगर आपके पास उस 24 घंटे का कोई प्लान नहीं है, देन माय डियर फ्रेंड, यू आर वेस्टिंग द बिगेस्ट गिफ्ट दैट हैज बीन गिवन टू यू, एंड देन आई कॉल यू नॉन प्रोडक्टिव. नाउ आई ऑल्सो बिलीव that each one of us, we are an average of 5 people we spend most of our time with.
Yeah.
So if you are surrounded by people who are non-productive, I'll tell you कि मुझे क्या तकलीफ है. तकलीफ ये है कि जब आप non-productive होते हो ना, इसका क्या मतलब है कि आपके कुछ सवाल हैं जिनके जवाब आप नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हो, आप किसी और से वो जवाब सुनना चाह रहे हो, तो जिसने जवाब दिया वो तो ड्रेन आउट हो गया. एक दिन हो सकता है, 2 दिन हो सकता है. It cannot become a pattern. So you need to figure your own life out. You need to figure answers to your own questions. And that is why if you do not have a plan and if you do not know how to utilize your 24 hours in a day, you are not productive. I would not like to spend time with you.
All right. So with you being the Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce Industry Karnataka Defence Personal Council member with me, how do you think you want to contribute further? I mean, do you promise to keep motivating, encouraging women and let them do a little more better as an individual? क्या आप करना चाहते हो हमारे साथ?
First of all, I feel really blessed to be a part of such a beautiful forum. And Major, this is something I have to give you credit for.
I'll pass it on to Miss Harbeen Arora, and I would definitely like to mention this because I think एक स्तर पे आके जो उन्होंने ये स्टार्ट किया है, the intent is nice. And because the intent is nice, Nidhi, probably that is the reason that I have taken this plunge of taking this position as the Karnataka Defence Personal Council because I personally relate to it. तो ये क्रेडिट मैं शायद उन्हीं की तरफ रखना चाहूँगी क्योंकि अगर वो अप्रोच नहीं करते तो शायद मैं आप लोगों से जुड़ नहीं पाती. But yeah, over to you. So I'll probably pass it on to that because...
so big congratulations to Miss Harbeen Arora.
Yeah.
And one share to you also. So I feel, देखो विकी में आके जो मैं देख रही हूँ ना, the diversity of women and with the strength that I come from, मैंने आपको बोला है my whole life revolves around learning, education. I feel women, if they start thinking more in terms of generating revenues, they will definitely be far more empowered than where they are. I come from a background of sales. My vision is to contribute to my women in terms of understanding sales, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं है कि औरतें सेल्स में कम है या ज़्यादा है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्फिडेंस में मार खाती हैं. तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस एक लेडीज में आना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द वे आई वुड वांट टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू माय दिस ब्यूटीफुल एसोसिएशन दैट वी हैव, दिस ब्यूटीफुल फोरम दैट वी हैव, that whatever knowledge I have, I would love to share it and spread with all the lovely ladies who are there.
Excellent. So thank you so much, Nidhi. I'm very happy कि आपने मेरे साथ ये कॉफी पे चर्चा करी.
मैं भी बहुत excited हूँ that you called me for the first interaction.
We really love what you do, and honestly, मेरे जो यहाँ पे viewers हैं, we'll keep it very short. We wanted to keep it very short because this is something that some value add has been done to all the people out there. In fact, specifically to me, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से आप बोलती हैं, जो लिखती हैं, जो बताती हैं, I think that is very genuine. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल तरीके से आपने जो लाइफ के सक्सेस और फेलियर्स को डिफाइन किया है. That's something that guys, you must watch her at her YouTube channel, and she goes by the name Miss Nidhi Vadera. She's on Instagram as well. She's a member of her council and we are very honored to have her with us, and that's the reason I wanted to start this new year with this wonderful, charming lady who's got a very high note in her voice and a twinkle in her eyes and her smile. God bless you, and thank you viewers. I hope you enjoyed hearing this dynamic lady, Nidhi Vadera. Wish you all a very, very happy new year and a safe one. Be ready for your vaccine shots. This is Major Aditi signing off. Also right in here. Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.